Good day again. So this is the session 2. So first and foremost, what is your name?
Chelsea.
Anong grade ka na, Chelsea?
7.
So ayan, mag-start ka na ulit magbasa. So, go.
The singasang nila utama. An imaginative adventurous king was restless by nature and wanted to travel to faraway places. He loved hunting wild animals, so when he heard that there were stags in the jungles of Tanjong Bentam, which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjong Bentam. When the king arrived upon the island, he and his subject had a hunting expedition that
Lasted
lasted several hours, slaying many wild and savage beasts, but no stags. This disappointed the king, for he had a sense of unfulfillment in his heart. Suddenly a large stag darted out of the bush in front of Sang Nila Utama, giving the king a shock, but the king drew his silver dagger and hurled it at the stag, only grabbing the animal. The stag began the run, and the king pursued it. In those days, it was either your feet or nothing. The stag ran through the jungle and darted up a knoll. The king followed the stag up the hill, but upon reaching the summit, the stag was nowhere to be seen. There was a large rock, so the king climbed it, looked the land and sea spread out around him. In the distance, he saw a stretch of white sand and island. Sang Nila Utama was fascinated by the sight of the island. He turned to one of his subjects who had followed him. "What is the name of that island?" The subject looked into the distance and smiled. "That is Temasek, your highness." "Then we are going there." The king ordered his fleet to set sail, and they began on their journey towards the island. Suddenly, the once clear blue skies were covered with black clouds. Heavy rain poured from them, and strong bursts of wind threatened to tear the ships apart. The ship crying sang nila
Carrying
sang nila Utama was in the very eye of the storm. The crew lowered the sails, started to bail the water from the ship, and get most of the cargo for jettisoning. However, an idea came to the king's head. He remembered a story his grandfather told him of how one of his ancestors became the Sea King, and that his crown was the only thing which
belong
belonged to his ancestors.
he
He removed his crown immediately and
threw
threw it into the sea. All at once, the storms broke. When suddenly, as it started, the skies began to clear, and the crew gave a shout of joy and set sail once more to the island and Temasek. When the king stepped upon the island, a creature stepped out of nowhere, and the king and his men were struck with the magnificent creature. It was large and moved with grace, had a black head covered in a fiery mane, a whitish neck, and a red body. When the king drew his deafening
bow and arrow,
the beast stared back at him with golden eyes and let out a deafening roar before leaping into the jungle. What sort of animal was that? The king asked. A wise old man stepped forth. I have seen animals in portraits for the Far West. Perhaps this is a singa, but I wonder how it got all the way here. This must be a great place if it breeds such a beautiful animal. Let us leave her here on the island in Singapore.
Yan, thank you. So, ngayon naman ay magkakaroon tayo ng spelling na kung saan, magkakaroon tayo ng spelling na kung saan isulat mo ang iyong pangalan sa itaas. At ito ay 1 to 15 lang na spelling. So, ready ka na ba para sa ating spelling? Sige, bilisan mong isulat ang iyong pangalan at ang iyong, handa ka na ba? So, ang first word natin is adventurous. Adventurous. Yan, tapos ka na ba? Number 2 ay island. Next. Number 3 ay fleet. Fleet. Opo. Fleet. Okay. Ang number 4 ay Expedition. Expedition. 5. Disappointed. Disappointed. 6 ay beast. 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 Number 7, null. Null. 8, skies. Skies. 9, threatened. Threatened. 10, ancestors. Or ancestor. 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 Creature, number 11. Creature.
Creature.
Creature. Yeah, creature. Sa pagbigkas ng iba. Per creature ang tamang pronunciation. 12. Singapura. 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 13. Unfulfillment. 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 14. Fascinated. 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 15. Restless. Restless. Ayan. So, ang iyong next activity ay maaari mo bang sagutin ang mga katanungan na nandito sa ating bond paper na kung saan ay kakaroon ka ng question and answer. So, ang first question, ayan, dyan mo na lang siya isulat sa provided na bond paper na kung saan nandito yung mga questions. So, dyan mo na lang siya sasagutan. So, ito ang first question. Maaari mo bang basahin ang first question?
Who is the main character in the story?
Sino sa tingin mo ang main character sa story? Ayan, maaari mong tignan dito sa kabilang copy kung sino ang ating character sa ating story. Okay na ba? Pangalawang tanong.
What type of animal was Sang Nila Utama original trying to hunt?
Ano yung sa tingin mo ang gustong itinatry ni Singa Sang Nila Utama na gusto niyang makuha? Ayan. Sunod ay
What did the king see when they climbed the large rock on the
Now. Now.
no.
What did the king see when he climbed the large rock on the Nile? Ano daw yung nakita ng hari nung sila ay umakyat sa malaking bato sa may Nile? Ano sa tingin mo yon? Okay na ba? Number 4.
What's
What
the
is-
name of the island that Sang Nila Utama decided to visit?
Ano daw yung pangalan ng island na gustong bisitahin nila Sang Nila Utama na bisitahin? Ano daw yung island? Ano daw pangalan ng island na iyon? Number 6. What did the king do with his crown during the storm? Ano daw yung sa tingin mo ang ginawa ng hari sa kanyang korona kasalukuyan ang bagyo? Ano daw yung sa tingin mong ginawa niya? Number 6 ka na ba? Or 5? 5 pa lang ata. Ay, 5 pala. What happened to the weather when the king's fleet set sail for the islands? Ano daw nangyari sa panahon nung yung king's fleet set sail doon sa isla? Nahanap mo na ba? Ayan, number 6 na ba tayo? Wait
Hindi
lang.
pa.
Sige. Tapusin mo muna ang question number 5. Okay na ba? 6 na ba? So, maaari mo bang basahin ang number 6?
What did the king do with his crown during the storm?
Ano daw yung ginawa nung hari sa kanyang korona kasalukuyan ang bagyo? Ano sa tingin mo? Okay na ba? Number 7. Describe the creature that the king encountered on the island. What it looks like. I-describe mo daw kung ano yung na-encounter na creature ng hari doon sa isla. I-describe mo daw kung ano yung nakikita mo sa kanya. Ano daw mukha nun? According dyan sa binasa mo kanina. Okay na ba? Number?
What did the wise
Old man
suggest the creature
might be. Ano daw yung sinuggest na pangalan ng creature kung ano daw yung tawag doon? Hindi, matatagpuan mo lang dito sa iyong binasa yon. Okay, galing mo naman. What name did Sang Nila Utama give to the island after his encounter with the creature? Ano daw pangalan ang ginawa ni Sang Nila Utama at binigay doon sa island pagkatapos nilang nadiskubre yung creature na iyon? Last na ba? Okay na? What themes can be identified in the story of the Singa? What themes? Ano daw yung tema niya para sa iyo, yung pagkakaunawa mo sa kwento, kung ano yung ibig sabihin nito, kung ano yung pinapakita niya ng kwento na The Singa. Sa tingin ko, wala dyan sa yung binasa yon, ngunit yun sa iyong pagkakaunawa kung ano nga ba ang iyong natutunan. Kumbaga, yan, maaari ang iyong kasagutan dahil wala namang tama ay wala namang mali sa sagot dahil ito ay iyong sariling opinion kung ano ang iyong natutunan at napulot na aral dito sa kwentong ito. tapos mo na ang iyong ang ating session 2. So, congratulations and thank you very much sa iyong cooperation. Ayan, thank you.